Welcome to Texas Law Encounters, your home for raw police footage. Consider subscribing to the channel if you want to see more police interactions, and feel free to leave your comments below. Remember, all suspects are innocent until proven guilty. Enjoy the video. On November 13, 2017, an officer with the Houston Police Department was dispatched to a local house over a reported trespassing issue. Turns out, a son had called the police against his mother because he had a restraining order against her. His own mother. How does that even happen?
Hello. Your mom was here or what?
Yeah, she was sitting out here.
What was she doing?
She had a restraining order, so she wasn't supposed to be around.
Oh, okay, so she just opened the gate and come on in?
Mm-hmm.
But she left?
Yeah, she just walked up the street like...
What's she wearing, all pink?
All pink.
Okay, let me go grab her.
Yes, sir.
Y'all, well, she got a restraining order. She'll go to jail for that.
Yes, sir.
She's wearing all pink, right?
All pink.
And wearing a little purse or something? Okay, yeah, she's on the next street. She knows I arrived, though, so...
With solution.
Miss Marie Cooper, how are you?
How are you doing?
I'm good.
How are you doing?
Good. Go ahead and put your hands behind your back for right now.
I just want to know, why is she keep calling the law?
I don't
understand. What's her?
Let me get your phone and your
Here you
soda
go,
for you.
sir. I don't understand why is she keep calling the police on
Well,
me?
they say you got a restraining order.
And I didn't even
Did you go over there?
No, I didn't. But my address is right here.
They lying to me.
Yeah, my address is right here.
Your grandsons are lying to me? I mean your sons?
I didn't trust.
Look, put your hands however you want them.
Yeah.
Because you're going to go in the back until I figure out what's going on.
Yeah, I don't understand what's the restraining order for.
I don't know. Did they tell you?
They didn't even tell me why.
Okay.
I don't
Look,
understand,
release his
sir.
hand. Take
Yeah.
your hand from purse off.
I don't understand what's the
Give me this
restraining
back.
order for.
I don't know either. We're going to find out, though.
That's what I need to find out for.
Okay, well, you should have been contacted. You should have been told
Yeah.
that you have a restraining order. And if you do, then you got to go to jail for breaking the restraining order. Because you were on that porch. Supposedly, I wasn't there.
I don't understand.
All right. The only thing that you really can't take,
What's the restraining?
I'll carry your Sprite. If you need it, then we'll give it back to you.
I didn't do no harm to her. That's my mother. I haven't talked to her in a long time.
Okay, that's clear.
Yeah, and I don't understand why she have a restraining order on me.
Do you got custody of your kids?
I don't have custody of the kids, and
Okay.
I don't have
Hold on
no
one second.
communication with her. I don't have no communication with her. I don't have no communication with her.
Hey, I got one female detained. I found her at. I'm gonna go to the original location and check this restraining order out.
Yeah,
She'll be in my back seat.
I don't have a. I don't understand.
We're gonna go to the other side.
Yeah, I don't understand why is she restraining me from seeing. You know, what's the problem with me and my mom?
Yeah, I'm not even sure myself.
Yeah, I don't understand what's the restraining order for, sir.
Well,
And I never did nothing to her, you know.
I'm not sure either.
Yeah, I don't understand.
You just got that tight stuff on, don't you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you're good.
Yes, sir.
We're gonna ride over there. I'm gonna check you. If you do have a restraining order, I gotta hold the law.
I understand what I do to her. You know, it's my mother. She just talked to me, touched me. And I'm a felony, and I have a problem with getting a job, and I don't understand what's the restraining order for. I didn't hurt her. I didn't harm her. She won't even talk to me.
Yeah.
And that's my mother. And I don't understand what's the restraining order for. I didn't do nothing to her.
Yeah, I mean.
I didn't touch her, sir. I didn't harm her. And that's
fine.
my mama, and she won't even talk to me.
Well, I'm gonna help you figure out what's going on, okay?
I don't understand why she doing this to me.
I don't either, because I don't know you.
I don't even know what's the problem. Why would she call the laws on me? And that's not fair. And I don't know what I'm doing wrong. And it's not funny for her to do that to me. It's not right for her to do that to me.
All right.
And I don't understand why she's doing it. And it's upsetting me.
28 Son, this is disturbance at Holding 5200 Hoffman.
I don't understand why she don't have no communication with me. I don't know why she trying to take me to jail.
5'9", 185.
And I don't have nothing.
Okay.
I don't have nothing to say. I don't have nobody.
Alright, well, let's figure out if you got a restraining order against you.
I don't have nobody. And I don't know why she's restraining me and what did I did to her. I didn't do nothing.
Is that your last name, Cooper?
Yes, sir.
All right.
I didn't do nothing
What's
to
your
her.
spell your first name?
Marie Antoinette Cooper.
Spell Marie.
M-A-R-I-E.
Antoinette, spell it.
I didn't do nothing.
Spell your middle name.
Marie.
No, that's your middle name?
Yes, sir.
Oh, okay. Spell Antoinette.
A-N-I-O-N-T-E-T-E. I didn't do nothing to her the last time I came over here.
One more time.
A-N-I.
762 bed
A-N-I-N-E-T-T-E. A-N-I-N-E-T-T. A-N-I-N-E-T-T-E. Antoinette.
Like that.
A-N-I-E-T-E.
Oh, E-I-E-T-T-E.
E.
Like that.
Yes, Marie Antoinette. It's on my license. If you look it up, it's in my purse.
All right, let me do that.
And I didn't do nothing to her. The last time I came over here, my stepdad threw a rock at me. And he threw I tried to give her a Mother's Day gift, and he threw a rock at me.
The family inside is okay,
And he threw the cord on the ground.
There was an assault
And I don't
location,
understand why she had a restraining order on me.
refusing cooperation, they don't want
And all I
anything,
try
if
to
they
do
were
is
not
come
needed,
and talk
and
to
the
my
female and the
kids.
kids are okay,
And I
so
don't
we'll clear
understand
that.
why she have a
There's
restraining
Spanish
order
speakers
on me. She don't have no communication with me. I try to talk to her. She don't try to talk to me as a mother.
Right.
I don't understand why she have a restraining order on me.
What?
She don't try to talk to me at all. I can't even call her. She don't want me around, period.
Well,
I don't even have no decent conversation with her.
Marie, what's your social security number so I can...
She don't even talk to me. All she do is call the police on me.
Yeah.
I don't understand her. She won't even communicate with me. She don't even try to talk to me as a mother. All she do is call up. I don't even have a stable place to stay. All I do is show up to court to see my kids. I don't even have a job to pay child support.
Who takes care of them at this time?
My husband. And I'm not even married. We separated.
Yeah.
And I'm not even working at the moment. And I don't understand what's going on. And I try to do everything I can for my kids, you know, the things that I can do for my kids. And it's not fair for her to call laws on me, you know, instead of her talking to me as a mother, you know.
I understand.
I don't think she should do that to me.
Well, we're going to figure out what you got to do and what your rights are.
You know, if she want me to go find myself some stable help or, you know, find some help for myself, she need to do that instead of calling the police on me. Instead of being a woman enough, you know, to say, hey, daughter, you think you need to get yourself some help and get off the streets or something instead of calling the laws on me. I don't think this is the proper way for her to do it, you know.
This is your mom, right?
This is my mother. This is not a proper way for her to do that to me. It's right. It's not right at all. Instead of her being a woman enough to come talk to me to the door. It's not right at all. I have to call my Amy, ask her for help.
What's your kid's name?
I do what I can for them. What I can.
You don't have a Marcia Cooper?
No, I bring them gifts, you know, when I have money, and take them presents down there to their people.
Right.
You know, and when they down here, she don't want me to see them.
You feel that AC, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, give me a second, all right?
And Mills
And
Branch.
it's not the proper way for her to do it. What happened?
She doesn't want, she says she can't talk to you.
Huh?
She says she won't talk to you.
Okay.
But, I got a copy of everything and it just looks like you're going to go down for the breaking the protective order.
I was not trespassing.
They have you on camera, Miss Cooper.
Sitting on the porch.
They have you on that camera right there. And then they have another camera on the side that got you going in the fence, inside the property. So, I mean... Can
she talk to me as a mother and tell them, no, that is my she don't want her daughter going to jail. I was just trying to talk to her. I don't want to go to jail just to try to talk to my kids. Come on now. That's crazy. My birthday is Saturday. Come on now. What kind of shit she doing?
Well,
can you ask her to let me go?
it's not, at this point, she doesn't have no say in the plan. There's a, as of June the 23rd, there's a protective order for you and your husband that can't even be within 200 feet of all this family right here.
Me and my husband?
Yeah, both of y'all.
Okay, well, they don't stay here with her. That's her. I'm not trying to go to jail. I'm trying to go. My birthday is Saturday. I'm not trying to go to jail. Shit.
43-year-old Marie Cooper was arrested on one misdemeanor case of trespassing. With her extensive criminal history consisting mostly of prostitution and possession of a controlled substance, I can see why her family doesn't want anything to do with her. It might be sad, but this is what drugs will do to you. Ultimately, she pled guilty and was sentenced to 10 days in Harris County Jail. Unfortunately, her criminal streak didn't stop here. Her most recent arrest was May 5th, 2023, just 1 month before this video is being edited. Here is her mugshot from 2023, and here is her mugshot from 2007. A truly cautionary tale.
Sir,
Yes, ma'am.
I'm not trying to go to jail. Can you ask my mom, can she release me?
She told me she wouldn't release you.
Huh?
She said she won't release you.
What you mean she won't release me?
She wants you to go for trespass.
She serious?
Yeah, I mean, she told me. She's on the phone with the attorney that's got all this paperwork filed. You can't go for a protective order. The only thing you're going to go for today is the trespass because you came on property when you're not supposed to be here.
So I have to go to jail for trespassing?
Criminal trespass, yes, ma'am. It's a little charge, but you got to figure it all out through the courts. It's sad when family does this, but we see it every day. You got cute kids, good looking kids.
I do. I want my...
So you got to work on getting yourself together. There's a reason why Grandma has them. So, fortunately, Grandma's there to take care of them, and they're not in somebody else's house. But, you know what? Let me buckle you up. You ain't buckled. Come on, Miss Cooper. We're gonna go over here and wait by number 3. Door number 3.
Thanks for watching Texas Law Encounters. Your support makes this possible. If you want to see more police interactions, consider subscribing to the channel or check out the videos on your screen. We'll see you in the next one.